Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a quick unboxing on my newest phone. It is the iPhone 12. This is actually hubby's Valentine's gift. Happy Hearts Day, love. Thank you very much. Happy Hearts Day to you all. Backstory, I haven't upgraded my phone for how many years already? I think 4 years. What I have is the iPhone 8 Plus. And to be honest, okay ra jud ko because the phone is working really well. Okay pa jud kaayo siya. But who am I to say no to this gift? Really, it's the thought that counts. Dito jud ko gikilig how this gift was given to me. When we came home, he was bringing pizza, and he goes, "Star, ali alam, ali diri." And then when I went out, surprise! Happy Valentine's! Happy kay ko kay pizza. I haven't eaten SNR pizza for the longest time, and nag-crave jud ko. So happy na jud kay ko ato. And then giisa niya ang pizza, and then naani siya. Oh, diba? Points. Anyways, here we go. Unboxing of the iPhone 12. Let's go. Unboxing of the iPhone 12. For updates, see you on my socials, Instagram @_TrulyTara, Facebook page Truly Tara, and of course here on YouTube, Truly Tara. If you find this video helpful, or if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. See you in the next one, stars. Bye!